Over 60 use. Bicarbonate this way. And see the shocking size change. Senior health tips. If you are over 60, you are likely living with a metabolic acid load that is currently stiffening your arteries and causing your internal organs to shrink in efficiency while your waistline expands in size. Most seniors believe that sodium bicarbonate is just for baking or occasional heartburn, but new 2026 clinical data reveals that the alkaline buffer provided by specific bicarbonate timing can physically flush the acidic waste out of your tissues, leading to a shocking size change in systemic inflammation. You are currently one acidic surge away from chronic kidney strain or a massive spike in cortisol-driven fat that no amount of exercise can burn off. You need to identify this bicarbonate protocol immediately, because for a senior body, your pH balance is the master controller of your cellular volume, and acidosis is the silent thief of your longevity. You won't want to miss the final habit, or 99% will miss the last tip and will be stuck with metabolic slowing for life. The first secret to the bicarbonate reset is the renal acid bypass. As we age, our kidneys lose about 1% of their function every year, making it harder to clear acidic residue from protein and processed foods. This acidic sludge causes your cells to shrivel and lose their hydraulic tension, leading to that frail look in the limbs while the belly puffs up with inflammatory fluid. By using a specific microdose of bicarbonate 30 minutes before your largest meal, you pre-buffer your blood. This prevents the acid spike that slows your metabolism, allowing your kidneys to breathe and your cells to maintain their youthful volumetric size. The second factor is the CO2-oxygen exchange. Nobel Prize-winning science, the Bohr effect, proves that for oxygen to enter your cells, carbon dioxide must be present. Sodium bicarbonate increases the bicarbonate CO2 levels in your blood. For a senior over 60, this forces oxygen into your deep tissues and brain cells. When your cells are oxygen satiated, they physically expand and function at peak capacity. This internal aeration is why many seniors see a shocking change in their muscle fullness and mental sharpness almost overnight, once they balance their internal gaseous ratio. The third pillar is the visceral fat meltdown. Acidosis triggers the body to store visceral fat as a protective buffer for your internal organs. If your body is too acidic, it will refuse to let go of that belly fat because it needs it to neutralize the toxins. By using bicarbonate to shift your interstitial fluid into a slightly alkaline state, you signal to your body that it is safe to release the acidic fat. This metabolic release is the secret to seeing the size change in your waistline that you've been fighting for years. However, many seniors find that even with a pH reset, they still struggle with heavy energy and a stubborn weight plateau because of thermogenic resistance. This is a common 2026 health crisis, where your internal fat-burning furnace has effectively dimmed due to mitochondrial acidification, making your metabolism feel like it's stuck in emergency mode. A lot of my viewers are getting great results with a new breakthrough called Citrus Burn. It's a 100% plant-based formula that helps break through that metabolic wall. One thing that's helping thousands right now is how it uses Seville orange peel to boost that internal fire. If you want faster results without feeling sluggish or bloated, this is what I recommend because it helps activate fat burning even while you're sleeping, and it comes with a 180-day money-back guarantee. The fourth bicarbonate rule is the autophagy acceleration. New 2026 research shows that a mildly alkaline environment increases the speed of autophagy, the cellular cleaning process discovered by Nobel winner Yoshinori Ohsumi. In an acidic senior body, the cellular janitors are paralyzed. By using bicarbonate to clean the workspace, you allow your cells to digest their own broken proteins and zombie components. This deep scrub results in a shocking change in your skin elasticity and organ health as your body replaces old gunk with new functional tissue. Fifth is the lactic acid flush. If your legs feel heavy as lead when you walk, it's because lactic acid is trapped in your muscle fibers. For a person over 60, this acidic crystallization leads to chronic stiffness and muscle atrophy. Using a bicarbonate soak, or a specific diluted intake, acts as a chemical magnet, pulling the lactic acid out of the muscle and into the bloodstream to be eliminated. This muscular unlocking allows your legs to feel light and powerful again, physically increasing your stride length and muscle tone. If you're finding it hard to stay vibrant or active because your weight plateau is making your inflammation feel like a permanent wall, one thing that's helping thousands right now is citrus burn. It is specifically designed to reduce those intense cravings by up to 54%, making it much easier to avoid the acid-forming sugars that corrode your metabolism. Plus, they're offering 2 free bonuses right now: the Rapid Detox Protocol and Mind Over Metabolism Mastery. These are perfect for cleaning your internal filters so your pH balancing can actually take hold at a cellular level. It's 100% plant-based and contains no stimulants, which is vital for maintaining a calm pulse while you reset your internal chemistry. Sixth is the endothelial protection factor. High-acid blood acts like sandpaper on the inside of your arteries. This vascular scuffing is what forces your body to patch the walls with cholesterol, leading to plaque buildup. By softening your blood with bicarbonate, you switch off this vascular friction. In 2026, we've found that alkaline blood allows the arterial walls to remain elastic and smooth, preventing the stiffening that causes blood pressure to skyrocket in your 60s and 70s. Seventh is the uric acid solvent. For many seniors, joint pain is actually caused by microcrystals of uric acid stabbing into the joint capsule. Sodium bicarbonate is a powerful solvent for these crystals. By using the bicarbonate protocol, you are dissolving the sand in your joints. This leads to a shocking change in joint mobility and a reduction in the visible swelling of your knuckles and knees. You aren't just masking the pain, you are liquidizing the cause of the friction. If you are struggling with a weight plateau that makes your metabolic health feel like a chore and your energy levels bottomed out, one thing that's helping thousands right now is the biggest discount on the 6-bottle pack of Citrus Burn, which currently includes free shipping. This 2026 formula helps break through thermogenic resistance by activating your body's natural heat production. When you carry less acidic visceral fat, the pressure on your cellular pH is significantly reduced, allowing your mitochondria to breathe and burn with high-speed efficiency. It's the perfect natural solution for a 6-month pH and metabolic reset with a 180-day 100% money-back guarantee. It's 100% plant-based and helps you burn while you rest. The 8th pillar is the digestive fire balance. You must never use bicarbonate too close to a meal, or you will extinguish your stomach acid, HCl. For a senior, low stomach acid leads to malnutrition and protein wasting. The secret timing is exactly 90 minutes after a meal or 30 minutes before. This surgical timing ensures your food is digested in an acidic environment, but absorbed in an alkaline environment. This dual-phase protocol is the secret to doubling your nutrient absorption and seeing a shocking change in your energy vitality. The final habit that 99% of people miss is the 2-minute alkaline breath seal. After taking your bicarbonate dose, you must perform box breathing. 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, 4 seconds out, 4 seconds hold for exactly 2 minutes. If you miss this last tip, the bicarbonate will simply be flushed out by your kidneys before it can reach your deep tissues. The box breathing creates the pressure gradient needed to drive the bicarbonate into your cells. This neurochemical lock ensures that your pH reset actually seeps into your marrow and brain tissue. This simple 2-minute habit seals your size change protocol and ensures your metabolic fire stays clean and hot all day long. It is the secret to moving from acidic and shriveled to alkaline and vibrant. It's time to stop rusting and start renewing. Subscribe. Which advice will you start applying today?